Hello, my friends. My name is Ernest, and today I want to share with you how to UiPath consume APIs. That's right. We have here we are an page web page. That page give give offers expose the weathers in several cities. But here here we are the API documentation. So here expose an API and UiPath can consume that. This is the endpoint, this is the endpoint, and this is the result. I share my I share my I share my I share my screen. All right, this is a UiPath. It's a UiPath. We need name new project. Consume API date. All right, in create. In this moment, we need add a library to use a HTTPS to consume APIs, all right? And when UiPath shares, all right, manage libraries, official API, and web API install and save. So remember, here it's the API endpoint, and here it's the result, right? The result. And with this with this information, I get I built an proof of concept. Here it's UiPath web API activities, Go activities, and HTTPS HTTP. All right, here it's all right, and here's the endpoint. The endpoint. This is a get method. We don't need client certificated or client certificate password preview. And here is the result. The same result. Here it's the JSON because it's a JSON. Refresh. All right. Okay. 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 This is the HTTP request, but we need use the this variable output. Here is the output results. We need build a result variable of type string. All right. We use the right line to find this result. But we now I know to the result is an string, but we need this result in JSON. So we need serialize JSON. That serialized JSON receive the result, all right, and convert the J result. J result, okay. But we need to bind that, all right, and that have the same this, okay. We need obtain the same, all right. We see play, and save and run file. All right, all right, all right. This is a silent robot, all right. Output. We need to see the output. All right. Aha. Here is the J result. J result. string, because we need paint that J result to string, because here is that serializes identified with ready to obtain specific information. All right, again, and the result will be we have an cycle, and the other print it's here scalonated. Current data, temperature, sky index, humidity, wind index. We need we need obtain exactly information. For example, we need obtain the temperature. In the other day, in the other data, we need ignore, right? Right line. Here is it. Is a J result, but here is current data dot temperature. This is dot temperature, but we need obtain the other data. For example, we need obtain the sky text. So current data dot sky text and print that round file. When we finish this proof of concept, I share with you a project when use this concept and read in Excel to build a dynamic called API, right? We need output. We see, let's see. Here is the in single renglor, right? And here is the this is a temperature, and this is a sky text. All right, here it's. And first is the temperature, and next is sky text. All right. So we have other 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 XAML. What happened with this XAML? And here's a project to use that's concept and combine with the read and Excel. All right. Refresh. Here it's. Here we are. Here we are on XAML called cities, and we need extract the folder data and put in our project. What happened with this folder data? In this folder data, here we are an Excel called cities XLSX. In this cities in this Excel, we have several cities, right? London, Berlin, Madrid, Paris, and the robot builds and secondary sheet where put the result, but we need delete and only here cities and sheet data, right? Close. This project I upload to my bit to my Git, and this URL I put this URL in the description of this video. All right. Okay, this is the here it's the cities for each row in these cities. We call it an and this endpoint with the cities. All right, with the cities. Equal the degree C because that's centigrades. Decimal height and assign for example, current data complete all the information on the specifically temperature. And after that, I create a secondary sheet data output. And, and we and save and same Excel, right? We need set as mine, save, and run file, right? This is a silence robot. Don't use any user interface. Don't use any interface. All right. Let's see. Let's see. And data cities, and we have the secondary data sheet with the information, right? Specifically information, temperature, sky, humidity, weight. All right. Right. Goodbye, my friends. This is an example. This is an example where UiPath consume APIs. Goodbye. My name is Ernest, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.